Remember the two different ways that we've decluttered in the past? There's been one way where I said, pick out what you want to keep. And then the other way that I said, pick out what you want to get rid of. Which would you rather do this time?
Pick out what you want to get rid of.
Pick out what you want to get rid of. Today I'm here, we're going to declutter with my boys. There are two different ways that I like to declutter with them. Usually we go one bin at a time. We'll see what we can actually get rid of this time and what we're gonna keep. There's two different ways I like to declutter with them. Usually we pick out either what they want to keep or we pick out what they want to declutter. So it's two different ways of thinking about it. It's pretty much similar, but I feel when you pick out what you want to keep, usually you get rid of more. But they want to do it the other way. They want to just pick out what they want to get rid of. We have a get rid of box and we have the keep box. Let's start going through it.
Oh, this is gonna be a keep, and that's gonna be a keep,
and you like to play with them.
Yeah, we like to play cars better than we like to play with all this junk that we don't even know.
What about this? Keep?
Keep.
Yeah, that's a diving rig actually. I don't know how the heck it got in here.
Okay, so we'll put this in a different pile because it goes somewhere else, but we're keeping this. Okay, keep this one.
Yes.
What about this?
Keep my box.
Okay. What about these things? Can we get rid of these?
No.
You're gonna keep that?
Yeah.
Do you play with this?
Yeah.
They're popping. Of course, they're like.
What about this? Keep?
That's a lightsaber thing. Of course, keep.
What about this? Keep or get rid of?
That's my thing that I put in.
Okay, what about this?
Kevin, do you want to keep this? Yeah, keep it.
Okay, what about this guy?
Iron Man, you have to keep him.
He's broken.
You told me to get rid of him. He's broken. You told me that.
Oh.
You want to keep him or you want to get rid of him? Remember that you wanted to go through this to get rid of some stuff. Do you play with Iron Man?
No, but he wouldn't like it.
I'm not gonna.
Keeping it.
Yeah. Oh, this is another pencil pouch, and that's a pawn.
But do we need all of these pencil containers? Because you have one here and you have one here and you have more, I think, in your...
No, we only have two.
You're sure?
That can be a phone.
What about the door that keeps falling off? Can we get rid of this?
Yeah.
Okay, so we can get rid of that.
Keep.
You're sure about this? Because you told me before you wanted to get rid of it. I just want to make sure. It's up to you. What about these? Do these walkie-talkies work?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So keep.
They need more batteries.
This will be good for Levi.
Apache helicopter.
Keep.
Keep.
What about this? Keep or get rid of?
Yes.
Keep. No, I want to have it.
Well, we want to get rid of some stuff, right?
Goodbye,
This?
Iron Man.
No.
You're willing? You're sure? Are you sad about it or you want to keep him?
I'm sad.
Because you want to play with it or because you...
Just go.
If it's going to make you really sad and you want to play with it, you can keep it. But I know you don't play with it.
That's why I'm so doomed. I'm doomed between you're
What
gonna
about
throw it
this?
out when I'm at school or something like that.
I won't throw it out when you're at school.
Okay, good. He can turn his head all the way around this
What
way.
about this?
That's Calvin's.
Keep or get rid of?
Keep.
Okay, what about this? This can go, I think.
This is an 8 from.
What about this?
That's a keep.
Keep
It's
here.
toy. Well.
What about this?
Keep.
Yeah. Keep.
Keep or get rid of?
Get rid of.
Get rid of it?
Yeah.
Okay, we don't need that.
Keep.
Do you play with that?
No.
Calvin, this is Emmett's. He wants to get rid of it.
But I really want to keep this.
Why?
Because look, it's a trap.
Bluey we keep.
Yeah, of course.
The fan. What about this fan?
Oh, that's from Hawaii. That's a one.
We're
That's
keeping this or getting rid of it?
yeah.
Keeping it?
That's a one-off.
What about this walkie-talkie? Does this work?
Nope. Sammy and DP broke it.
Okay, so get rid of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Never. If I find the other one, I'm gonna throw it in the.
What about all these little trains and cars? Keep?
Yeah,
Keep.
that. Oh, this is the train.
What about this one? Keep?
Keep
Yes.
it.
That's
Okay.
That's around you.
So, I think the eggs can go. We have other eggs, or we can put them with the Easter stuff. What about this bracelet?
It doesn't fit him.
Doesn't fit you?
It does.
Okay.
It's like impossible.
What about this?
Look,
What about this
fits me.
bracelet?
Calvin, that's from Valentine's Day.
What about
so you
this?
have to
Keep?
kill that. Keep that.
Okay. Are we not going to get rid of anything? What about this? No one plays with this.
No, I played with that.
You do?
Yes, I do. I put my Lego people in it,
What
and
about
I
this?
act like a spaceship. Yeah, that's a badge.
Keep.
Okay, we don't need this, do
Get
we?
rid of.
We don't need that.
Oh, that's a pizza cut. I can eat. Sometimes that's like.
What about this? We can get rid of that.
No, that was from preschool.
Oh my gosh.
I made that. That was the
You guys haven't even got rid of anything. You said you wanted to go through here. How about we get rid of this?
We're finishing Gus's birthday party. Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious. I think this can go.
Yes.
Okay. What about the shark? What about the shark?
Yeah, that's Carver's. Let him keep.
Can that go?
Kate.
Let him live. You live over there.
Okay, what else can we get rid of? I think I'm going to get rid of that helicopter. Where did it go? That one that fell in pieces. This one. Where did this go? That can go in the trash.
It's not in there.
That's a funny story. It's in here. Who
I think that can go. Okay, this is part of that car. This goes with the Duplo.
I'm gonna Kate. I'm gonna Kate.
That's
Kate.
the ambulance.
Can the ambulance get put back together or no? It's broken.
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
Well,
But why are
that roof can go on.
What about the door? Is that in there?
So you see that door? Yes, it's.
So get the door. Let's try to see if we can put it back
No,
together.
it's broken. It snapped off, and there's a problem on the ambulance. You see right there? If that was there and that was there, those two would clamp together, and that door would stay on. But it broke, so I don't know about that.
Okay, so should we just get rid of this stuff since it's broken?
Well, if we
Like, we can keep the ambulance.
yeah, let's just keep the roof on it because what
Okay,
if it
the roof
rains?
works.
Yeah,
So we'll get rid of the back door.
the roof always fits.
Okay. Now, what else do we have? Yeah.
We're making progress.
We're making progress, but we haven't actually got rid of a lot. Okay, here's the old mask. That can go.
Yeah.
Okay, so what else? Any of this stuff? This is all in the wrong spot, though. He did not get rid of a lot. Why did you want to go through the box? You said there's a bunch of stuff to get rid of.
China. It was all China.
I thought we would get rid of more because that's what they had told me, but we have a few items in here. We're gonna go on to the next box and see what else we can find.
These are just so old and they've all
Do
curled.
they fit though? Put them on and see if they fit. I'm not throwing them away. I'm saying I don't think they fit you.
No, she's gonna put all these toys to the Goodwill.
You told me that they fall off when you walk.
Well, yeah, when I'm running, but at fancy parties, I don't run.
So you
keep
run,
them.
but you dance.
So for the fancy parties, we're gonna keep these?
Yeah. For
What fancy parties are we going to?
Like dinner.
Fancy party is not dinner. Dinner is not fancy party.
These are the fancy party shoes apparently.
They fit.
They fit? Okay, because you have a lot of shoes, I know that. By a lot, I mean we have about 3 pairs. But you don't wear these anymore.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna get rid of these because you don't wear them anymore.
Yeah.
Right? And they're falling apart, you said? Okay, so let's get the next box. Scoot over a little bit so we can get this box out of the way.
We got a lot of toys in here. We never know that we get all these toys in here.
Please.
We're just wasting our time and trying to declutter animals because we're not decluttering any single animal.
Any kind of soft toy or stuffed animal is impossible to get out of our house. So my big warning to anyone is to be careful of what comes into your home because sometimes it becomes an emotional attachment that you just cannot get rid of. And so I've made the rule that we are not having any more stuffed animals come into our house unless another one goes out in its place.
This is the 3rd bin that we're going through. And it's hats, sunglasses, masks, and ties, obviously.
Yay, fancy.
I want you guys to pick out the ones that you really are not going to wear. Is anyone going to ever wear this?
Yes. Sometimes I wear it.
Sometimes.
I don't.
Sometimes you wear that.
Okay, what about you? You're never going to wear this one, right? You don't even have the matching...
Yeah, I don't.
You don't want it?
Yeah.
Okay. That's horrible. Okay. But you like yours, or we can get rid of it? It doesn't even really fit you. It looked too small.
It doesn't really fit.
What about this?
Oh, yes,
Keep?
it is.
Okay.
It's a visor, dude.
So this, keep.
Yeah, that's straight head.
This is a new one,
Yes.
keep. Masks, are we still keeping
Yes,
these?
we do masks.
What about this? Keeping?
Billboard, yeah.
Okay, what about this?
Don't be mean. I got that from summer school. Like
You want this?
Yeah.
Angel Stadium.
Okay, what about this one? I think this could probably go to Levi.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wait, that green hat.
This can go to Levi.
Wait, Mom, no.
What?
If that could go to Calvin.
This can go.
Yeah, I don't care about that.
Okay.
You see that? You see that one? That can go to Calvin, and then that little one can go to Levi when he grows up.
What about this? We're keeping this?
Yeah, bandana.
Sunglasses, are these ones good?
Yeah.
What about these goggles?
No one
Yeah.
ever wears them.
Do you want them or no?
Yes, I normally wear my new one, but for backup I'll keep those tight.
Here's a sock.
Backup.
Hey, what about this hat? Is anyone using this? You like this one still?
Yeah, that's his favorite.
Never give it.
Okay, I'm just asking.
Oh, these are Nerf goggles.
I don't know if do these fit anyone anymore, these gloves?
My gloves! How can I find these gloves?
Those are.
Okay, I want you to go through and we are going to get rid of a lot of these masks. Dirty socks. How did all the dirty socks get put in here?
Why are we getting rid of masks? It's COVID, lady. It's COVID-19, dude.
COVID-19.
No, we don't need all these though.
We have a water shoot still.
What about these? Can we get rid of these or you want to wear these
Oh,
still?
the heck did that guy get there?
These are good backup ones or what?
Yeah.
Or no?
Those, can I just try them on? Nice throw.
Okay, I'm gonna get rid of definitely that mask. We don't need any of these really.
My preschool
Norman's shirt!
Well, you can keep one preschool mask.
That's
These
my
ones,
back.
These ones are in good condition.
Yes, they are.
These are no good. No one likes those. Okay,
Keep,
no good.
but a layer of God keep this.
Layer? You meant like Princess Leia in God?
Okay.
This is your mask. This is my mask.
Okay, these are no
This is
good.
Papa's whole mask.
Okay.
Okay, you want that one?
Yeah,
Or did it
That's,
break?
and
That's mine.
this
You
is
want it or no?
I want to keep it. I got
What
it.
this one? This keep?
mine keep.
You know what? Throw these out. They were leaking in my eyes. That's why I had to get new ones.
Okay, those are no good. All right, good.
You're like past me.
Okay, so perfect. We went through this. That was really
I'm
good.
sorry, my mom
We
is
did
wrong.
it.
That was the fourth bit.
Sorry, that was the fourth bin. I've been wanting to go through this room because it gets out of hand really quickly lately, and that just is a sign that we have way too much stuff in here. I would love to go through again when they're not here, but I thought I better do it while they're here. So we were able to gather a little bit of stuff, not a ton. Pair of shoes, some old masks, hats, just a bunch of random things. They really didn't get rid of a lot of toys, but that's how I go through with my kids. They're at the age now where they know when I'm getting rid of things, and I try to include them. There are times when I go through and just make decisions when I know it's gonna be the best for everybody. But lately, this is how we've been doing it. They've been included, so you can see how they wanna hold on to certain things, and that's fine. I'm fine with that because I know it's just a stage in life and they are going to get through it. When it comes to clothes, I really stay on top of that sort of thing. Books I stay on top of because we can go to the library, and that's just how I do the decluttering. I hope this was helpful. I now have a channel membership, and you can click to find out more about it by hitting the join button down below. I'm making Q&As and more videos for the members only section. So if you're interested, check that out by hitting that join button. And if you're new here, you can subscribe where I do weekly videos on decluttering and simple living, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye bye.